So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. In this video I am going to show you Apple released new iOS 16.0.2. Basically it's an emergency update to fix many kind of bugs that Apple user facing in previous update. So in this video I am going to show you which bugs fix in that app and how you can get if update not showing on your iPhone. Let's start video without wasting any time. Firstly, open your iPhone setting. In setting app you can see a person screen general option, tap on that. After tapping that, tap on software update. You can see a person screen iOS 16.0.2 update showing here in my iPhone 13 Pro Max right now. Basically this update for iPhone 13 Pro Max is 267.1 MB. So this update provides bug fixes and imported security update for your iPhone, including the following: camera may vibrate and cause blurry photos when shooting with some third-party apps on iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. Display may appear completely black during device setup. Copy and paste between apps may cause permission to appear more than expected. VoiceOver may be unavailable after reboot. Address on issue where touch input was unresponsive on some iPhone X, iPhone XR, and iPhone 11 display after being serviced. So basically these bugs fix in that update. So if you don't see yet that update in your iPhone, just close that and open iPhone setting again. Tap on general. Now scroll down and tap on VPN and device management. Just tap on that. Make sure you don't install any beta software update profile in your iPhone. If you install that beta profile in your iPhone, just remove that, and after removing that you can easily see the new update for your iPhone and as well as iPad. So friends, after watching this video, hope you will all know how to get iOS 16.0.2 bug fix update for iPhone and as well as iPad. If the video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.